It's morning already. Right, boy. Boy? Dog? Yeah, strange. Oh, there you are. Right, boy, let's go. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video of The Nightmare Before Christmas, part 4. Today, I'm still continuing searching for the mayor of Halloween Town. Now, where shall I go today? Whoa. Oh no, you killed my dog. Well, that's unfortunate. That polar bear just killed my dog. Right, I'm all alone now. I better go and find another dog. I knew it was a bad idea. Bring the dog with me. Yeah, I've been here. But let's go somewhere different. Oh. Ah, so there are some people around here. Oh, so that's why they're not going down there. I think that's an airport down there. So, the dog. I really miss my dog now. That polar bear should kill my dog. My dog was trying its best, trying to hold it back, but sadly the polar bear killed my dog. I was trying to save my dog. I'm gonna miss my dog. What's this? No idea. Okay. No idea. What's this building is? Oh god. There's a polar bear up there. What is that? What is that? That looks creepy. Okay. That thing looks very creepy. Let's look in here. What's this supposed to be? Nah, can't be a school, can it? Can't be a school. Nah, can't be a school. You need a big building. No, I think this is not a school. I think this is a shop. Because you can tell by the counter. A car park? Wait, is this some kind of... Wait, this is the docks, right? Oh. I don't see any ships. Interesting. Well, I don't see a ship nearby. Oh. Perhaps there. Oh. Okay. That crane looks very odd. Although, there could be another music disc up there. I'm going to take a look. Wow. This place is big. Trapdoor. Oh, right. Oh, no, just bear me a sec. There we are. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Biscuits. Wait, what? Biscuits. Ah, okay. So I got rabbit stew, mushroom stew, and wait, is that a cake? Looks like a cake. I don't know what's this supposed to be. Oh well, no mod. Wait, is this where the ships land there? No, I think this is the docks. Okay, silver spear. Okay. You know, this reminds me of something. Okay, there's something up there. Well, I don't want to cheat, but I could take a look at the end of this video. Well, since I lost my dog. Okay. Is this a flower shop? There's some people want to come here to this flower shop. Oh, it's in here. Oh, I don't know. So what's this shop? This is a. Is there a potion? I think this is a potion shop. I don't. Why do you need a lever? Or you can just open it. Okay. Uh, what's this supposed to be? Hold on. What's it called? Oh, it's aquarium. Wow. It's aquarium. It's a quantum. It's a quite. It's what do you call it? It's that update. The aquarium update. Because the sea creatures underwater. Wow. No chest. Okay, what's it supposed to be? Oh God, my dog's gonna miss a lot of things here. Okay. So this shop must be a music shop. Because I buy a lot of note blocks everywhere. Oh, visitors. Um. Uh, this is gonna be a problem now. I lost my dog, and without my dog, this could be a problem. Ouch! 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 Turn that fire. Um. Hmm. There's gotta be something in this place. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna go around the whole town place. Where could that music disc could be? There could be one here somewhere. Although that creates a construction tower looks familiar, which I don't think anything odd up there. Who knows? Might if I see like a chest up there, it could be another music disc. Right. It's nice to explore this new area, but what I really need is I need to find that music disc. I only got 2 so far. Well, I can't go to house by house. I know what you mean. This looks different. Ah, chest. No sign of music disc. I don't know what these biscuits does. No sign of food. What I really need is food. Oh, this is gonna be awkward. Where's my dog? It's just right. Food. Check it off. Wait, hold on. Since I'm right now. Is it an idea? I'll click that later. See, George, I only got 2. I need one here. I'll come back for that. I'll come back for them for later. And the chunk books. Which are take that one. Oh, pork chop, mutton, another one. At least I'll get some food. Probably stew. Bread. Now. I now have some food. My earphones? Oh, I could hear a voice? Is that a voice from outside? Strange voice. It's calling out for me. Oh god, it's getting loud. Jack. Jack. Hello? Who's calling me? Jack. Come back to Halloween Town. It's urgent. Okay. Mysterious voice in the air. Okay. A weird voice talking to me. Ooh, it's serious. Something different. On Halloween now. I might find it down here. Maybe the music disc is down here somewhere. Because it's not in that strange town. It could be here somewhere. Although it is a very long sewage. Although I need to be careful while I'm going. Okay, I'm about to climb over this pipe. Strange. An eyeball. Okay. I don't see anything down here. Okay, Is it just me? I'm just going around in circles. Oh, hold on. A door. There's that door there. And there's a water blocking the way. And another door. Ooh, a chest. Ooh, an iron sword. Okay. Yeah, that's more like it, an iron sword. Wait, hold on. Oh, I already got it, sorry. Turtle shell. You know what, I might just take the boat. I know that's why I want it, but I'm going to have a little fun riding the boat. Let's go over here. There. Ooh, that's a very strange door. I just walked in, went for the middle between two doors. Okay, weird. Okay, let's head. There's nothing over there. Anything odd? Anything odd? Okay, let's stop here for a while. Let's go this way. I don't see anything odd. Come on. No, I'm just going around circles. It's supposed to look a maze. I never know. Oh, God, where's my boat? I think I lost my boat. Where's my boat gone? Hold on. Does it look up there? Oh, right, it's night time. And it could be worse down here. I don't see anything odd around here. No. Village? Wait, I just had a villager. 5 minutes right before. Let's just go around in circles. Hmm. I don't see anything odd. Where's that music disc? There's 12 of them. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Oh god. Right. Who's that? Who's that? Hello? Harris? Ah, skeleton. Yeah, cut it out. Yeah. Yeah. God, it's so annoying. Yeah, a very annoying skeleton. Oh, God's sake, it's so annoying. That's clever. What's... Oh, God. Attacking me from above. Mm. Oh, God. Creepy, creepy, creepy. Oh, God, witch. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what is this? I'm not going there yet. I bet I will, but not yet. Oh, there's a lot of skeletons everywhere. Oh god, there's one down there. There's more down there. Oh god, this is not look good for me. It's gonna be quite impossible to find a music disc on survival. Gosh, this is so annoying. Oh, oh god, I've got 2 empty bowls. That's not good. Rabbit stew, mushroom stew. Oh, mushroom stew. Wait, should I say moo? I said moo, I meant to say mushroom. Me and my words. What's me with my words? I can't incorrect in my words. I'm about to say mushroom, mushroom. Oh god, I said mushroom. What? I said mushroom cow? Oh god. Oh damn it. Yeah. Ah. Whew. Oh, that was hard to get in. Right. Bed, headed bed. Oh, dog. I'll be more safe than the dog. I had to fight the monsters on my own. I'm gonna tell Bifest about this now. My dog is gone. My companion dog is gone. You know, this is not very helpful. I can't believe I've wasted my time doing all this. I need to find that music disc. Rubbish too. Food. Yeah, I have an odor. Oh god, not this game. No. I really need to stop doing that. Ouch. No, right away. Not good. This is gonna be a pain. I really don't want to go crazy. The music test is gonna be over there. Somewhere in that cemetery. I looked every single building. There's no sign of them. I haven't looked up there yet. Well, I suppose I'll quickly go over there. If there is a way down. Not a good idea. Let me fix the damage. But not most of it. Damn these creepers. Where is that music disc? There you are. No. Red. Hold it. Not enough space. Right for that way. Oh yeah. I've been here before. I don't see him going back to the same place just went to. Yeah. And I've been here before. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. What the hell was in Halloween? This town. Everybody screams. Halloween. Red. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween. Just home we go home. Everyone's heels to the pumpkin soul. We love it now. Reach for the price of prize. I think that's the police station. The music just might be there. God, this is so tricky. Sorry, everyone. I had to go creative. Hold on. What's the period of Christmas holidays? Sorry. This is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. Why I'm singing, why I'm singing. Like a rock Halloween. Oh, easy. Oh, oh, what the heck? Oh, I got the thing on. Whee! Halloween, 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 Halloween. It's down, we go home. Here's with a pumpkin song. Ooh, trapdoor. Put the cookies mode, cupboard hanging time. Ah, this is so annoying. Where's that music disc? Ah, I'm not searching every single house. And it's not over here either. No, I suppose I could take a look without helping. Just fly upwards, just don't use the thing. Okay, no. My dog died right here. Sorry everyone, I'm a bit emotional, my dog's gone. Chest. Ah! Where's that music disc? A box? Oh, this one. The bear sent me to the wrong place. Nope. Ah. Oh. 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 I'm so annoyed with this. Red. Oh, Santa Claus. No, it's old. Gone to the wrong place. Sorry, one. But now I'm wasting my time in this place. This place does not have a music disc. Right. I think I better head back to Halloween Town. This place is no good. Sure, there's gotta be something here. Do you have any look? Any stairs going up? Okay. Okay, that's no good. Right. I'm gonna get going. Sorry, dog. I know you're not with me, but I gotta go. Oh, that's kind of disappointed. That town does not have a music disc. It's part one of my collections. Proud this together. And that town does not have it. There is another door, I saw one earlier. I don't have enough time to do it. Right. Let's just quickly go there. Just ignore the monsters. Where they are. Easter, St. Patrick's Day. Thanksgiving. I think that's Valentine's. Yeah, that's Valentine's. Okay. I've been through there. Let's go into this one. See the. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Guys, where this will take me. Jack-lanterns. Oh no. Don't tell me I'm not heading back to Halloween Town. Looks completely different. I wonder where I'm going to end up. A graveyard. The same old graveyard. Ooh. Halloween Town is full of snow. Wow. It's full of snow everywhere. Including the hills, what? Wow. Wait. Did I just... I'm in the... It's exactly the same Halloween Town that you left. But this is different. Well, it's got decorations. Okay. This must be another version of Halloween Town. Well, the Halloween Town, the Halloween Town that's just left is just like, you know, Halloween. This is like Christmassy, like. Wait, oh, is that dog? Dog? Oh my god. No, wait, Zero? I had to get to you, dog. Strange. Where's the mayor's car? What's with these weird boxes? So it is. How can I get to my dog? Right. There we go. Ah. I don't like parkour. So annoying. I'm terrible parkour. So this is. I know I've seen this in the movie. I think this the people of Halloween Town was making a slide for Jack. Can I go to the dog? For some reason the dog's not coming with me. Ooh. Oh, light. The hot water's turned to ice like. Look at that pumpkin there. Okay. Alright everyone. I end up on the other side of Halloween Town. Because the way I look at it, it's all Christmassy like. With snow on the ground. And the water turns to ice. Right, I hope this place will have a music disc. Hopefully. Right everyone, I'm going to end this video tonight. Join me tomorrow night when I face that direction at the town hall. Right then, everyone. Goodbye for now.